Welcome to this episode of Get Dressed With Me. On this episode, chunky sweaters. This one is from Prada. I got it a couple years ago and I love it. It's been a staple in my wardrobe ever since. Here it is with my tie pants, my Fisherman tie pants I found on Amazon, and my Celine skate shoes that are in a leopard print with pony hair, and Alexander Wang booty bag or fanny pack. And then I love it with this Elder Statesman, also big Pashmina blanket scarf. This is a great look for fall before I need big coats. And then, of course, if I don't want to do the tie pants, I'm always into it with a big oversized boyfriend jean. These are from Alexander Wang from his first denim collection. And I also love this oversized boyfriend jean and chunky sweater with a heel. These are from Rick Owens Wedge. But I love adding a heel to a look like this that's super comfy, and it just kind of dresses up for work or the office. Here it is with the Cycle Zombies beanie again, just a classic black beanie, and also the big bomber jacket from A1. Love this guy. Love the oversized everything, especially with the heel because it just kind of offsets the comfy vibe and makes it feel a little bit more sexy and feminine. Now, I am obsessed with these vinyl stretch leggings. Super into these. Love the textures mixed with the wool chunky sweater. And then again, with the Marc Jacobs platform boot. Love a vinyl platform boot with the vinyl legging and the texture of the chunky knit sweater. And then here it is, a little silk kimono jacket I have from Kinder Agagini, and a little purse I got from Charlotte Russe years ago when I was working with them, little Seqiun Heart purse. I just like this for a fun night out, a clubby night, a dinner, a date night, just to do something a little different and not just be in a typical dress. I also love these vinyl leggings take forever to get off. I also love a chunky knit sweater layered with more feminine things. I just tend to wear it because this one is bright pink. I like wearing it with more boyish things, but here I'm going to show you a couple more girly options. This is a Realisation par dress. I think it's called the Goldie. Super cute in a spot. Love, love, love these with little cowboy boots. These are from Stetson and just a classic suede cowboy boot. And having a chunky knit sweater layered over with a classic wool beret that I found on Amazon. Very cute. And my little lip clutch. So super duper cute from Olympia Latan. Super into the girly vibes as well. This is kind of good for fall or spring when you don't really need a coat. You can always layer a coat on top. But I just love chunky knits for the transitional weather in fall and spring. Now here's the Prada wool skirt that I actually bought that matches this sweater perfectly. I love this heavy mini skirt. It's just hilarious that they would do a mini skirt for winter. It's with my Stetson hat here and my Rick Owens platform boots, wedges. Love these guys. Love this silhouette. See you guys in the next episode. Check me out every Monday.